Hello.
Hello. We have another chip that we're going to try.
Otter chip.
The wrap snacks.
Okay, we got the wrap snacks. Okay.
OG barbecue cheddar.
Barbecue cheddar. It can't be that bad. It can't be that bad. It's a cheddar.
Yeah, these shouldn't be bad. Wrap snacks are actually pretty good.
Dog. Snoop Dogg dog.
Look up.
You go Snoop. Snoop Dogg, yeah.
You gotta bite it, son. It's good. Tastes like a barbecue chip with a little bit of cheese.
Tastes weird.
You didn't
what?
bite it.
I don't like it.
You like it.
Eat, boy, taste it.
You don't feel bad.
Okay.
You gotta bite the big chunk.
Hello.
Hello, it's alright.
Yeah.
Ugh. I don't like they put ugly chips in here.
All these chips.
Okay. That's a big bite. Good, right? It's kind of spicy.
Tastes weird.
Tastes like barbecue to me. Barbecue with cheese. I'll give these. I'll give them a 10. They good.
I get an 8.
You get an 8?
Yeah.
They're 9 or 8. They taste like a Lay's barbecue with just a hint of cheddar.
And like cheddar cheese.
All right. All right. So next time.
Bye.
Bye.